going on? Yes, I know. I am the one who's supposed to take up that responsibility. Not nothing free, nor Mr. Freeman.
Alright, so you're misunderstanding the concept of this whole thing, you know. I am rendering assistance, and it's almost as if I'm giving an aid to your daughter,
How
which
many
will
people do
benefit
you
you.
help already in your
I've
life?
helped several individuals.
And how can I prove that, sir?
I mean, I can go through my phone and show you a few persons when we did help go to college, and they are now successful lawyers, doctors, and nurses, policemen. Yes.
There are so many tricks and trades and matches box and the sticks also in business. People do tricks. This is a technology world.
Right.
You can make up anything on your phone and show me, and it look like yes, that is how it is, when it's not like that. Listen, I know I am poor and needy, but I do not want